Ria tukukwargania senjira ya bene bona se omurubiri obwege ikaro ejumapili gayo mweri osomotinyuga okabere mwako iga o 2025 episode neyo mweri okigima se ensemeiga ya umutinyu okabere kiratogenda kwari ni umutinyu nde umuya ogatatu kurinde na manganya ariko bagakonekiwa ase eikiga karibu sana tosanga sobwamo nabuna twachika okomanya ejumapili iga nigo tugocha korigeria amagendo na wigo bora ibogenda ta se serikali ye county ya Nyamira ne county area ya Kisii na nemo turigeria ya enekiwe ase eikiga on our weekly review buna botambe ase studio titinchebweka chisura cha botambe no chirega gabara riba chiren kuma baje konkonya kombwate sia kwene kyango ikiranitura iga ase enchira ere engia tigatura chaka kubaigwa ase amarieta abo kolengeto chaka no koboko kwane okurioga iga harono toto jangire tarabana into ase chintunde angiberega kore no nyara kobaga koirandira ejumapili iga tigatura chaka nera tumanye Taba igwanda kariyo giria etwara beira sege katura sanganera karibu sana Aaron.
Mira wana Clinton. Na yo kireko bana ina litiko lya lera ngola ngina misiri yange chichi mapiri berega. Asenge njo ya chisaba awashitari konyale kana ne yabo ngwe no kabana asiri mu makomoke. Oyo kwa ni litiko lya ijuma. Ende mirobeli na yaro ya nabe konyara kabage ko ego toto kanimero bende abo tambera kirene konya kwa tema tole. Padre na bongo tomama kwa mbogo chi ase ya mate ya ye Idris kwa mboka wa nchoma kada na Sofia yore muswati mu abotata Karato kanda teko ya go robe lile no bona borongo kanda bolen same yende.
Karibu sana, you have been away but rendo kwa verko kwa sangamento ase evirengere na bagwetera ase simi na kwa maoni ekone ke uno muri rubege karongo kanda. Thank you so much na bwege ngora ito wechi ase ya mateyo kone ke bunamba tware liberera chinga ke chicho bukende katura cha Sore Dennis
bia mono Moralia Clinton the host ege karo mona ase umwali konende tumerane wiki ya vere na mange ama kweli na meroveli ne menga genderata gusi boigo onisa koligere Kenya siasa nero ya ilo mukondo mongake korwa ebinto bya sambete baba na abantu babo ate moroyo osias matiani baraira nirensa ngora baranga libere molorolenge koseno bwa masa kwake ora kanyekirake otara rumborora kinende mixture ya binto bere bitatu ni SMBR.
Thank you so much. And ngwa mention as emero virtual to ara yege karonga casualties mbache ko babange because you are seeing a number of them. Tikato ja Sore Sam naina boko mokwano mwancho moligere
tigante benga diang sogiri mugusiano sia sumorenga koirirebia esa no mionyara kwa to be kobo moyo nebe wiki atwara mange ora imero basiria magimabo ovujistora chukwanira prende nanje tiang confirm yeah I have been here last Sunday no narenga nango toto kago tebanga ora sabiro kwa bero komisi chi sabato ibere I mean chi Sunday ibere nanje na misetia yamo abo kambe kero gatanga mani uyagere lakini ndo all in all no trare
karibu sana speaking of that mwancho morigeria na manga ene kiuna bate bire eikiga ya twara manga twara barai kuruchinse ona baroba siri amagimabo chibunge nchiro wikiraboni gabuneria Malava Mheshimiwa Malulu Njendi nanya tuko bakago siria ubugimabwaye moseneta bwe county area ya Baringo na era nanya tuko bakago siria ubugimabwaye na boigo oyo bwango iga nomo oyo kabero monyakero gwe kyombege kia IBC oyo yamate aya sogeti tukuri juma na kotebanga ni ganya tukobaka osiria mugima bwaye ebo tukobwetko lia alhamisi totaraso ase nkwana ito tikanda nyora anda keri bakali okoba abagani bana se studio na barabu barwe ngora yabo asenge nchumo shimo chebukati emirimo ya yare bakora nigo yarenga of national concern nabo igo very critical asenge njokero kwanda chikura chine no mwanchumo rigeria echichikoni ko kurwa sekero keri kyobora ibwense goika obwMCA niga si enkongu sana teto chake nae harono toto mwa chebukati tari na intwe lakini nda soko munyora emirimo bange babere baba tabanga nemi ya nege tekera ngomura yase ekyombekeri ka IBC
nje eso gochagera kagima totabe sokora mukikwana maiso abanyagero ko namanyire be kyombekie korukunga kya IPC gotikyo kwa kichikura mbatato oyo olenge Samuel Kifuitu abanara mukereti onyo ndolenge kwiti maiga abo yutingo mukone kala na maroche gosena na roche no nega sia kora konya tindamanya bujanga ngike bwande ko runi kyombekyo tukatwara Isaka Hassan onega tukatwara Chepkati kotwara banta batatu atuma echinga na babere bakore beremeyo itimizinga ekenekero kere special in its own way itergo karantu na banta bange na naro de brengere abikonya kabikuru gwase emitanda ko bwamono igoro yo gosira kwae litanga kigima twensi mwanya bantu ngokutore ebe no go sete go stogo sete no go tamacho suwa mamacho ngokutore lakini de culture yo mugusini elinga mugusitane gotene na sama tanga tebenga nya gosira no muntu mo bekonyo to chandire bituma konyo ibire na bana kero sambire na bana kero itiro butiro mutu kwa batubweli bo muntu nane kora muntu gotena tanga kigo yo buna baiga no muntu mubolenge tikatinde ko bwango at the end of the day koligere tolenga ase tuarata mukoligere lyo bya bomuntu gose the positive side yo muntu nande majority of us ebali tole ekemwanya bantu tinga tsezira ikalinde ndiro akone egine karagera ligatanga ni goro ya ogosira kwa Chepkati na from by as a person as an individual orenge konyora mukiria maiso mono chinga kichobo chole banne bwa 2022 nje nigonda tebenga ese position Chepkati arenge na aleko cha kutokororo wono nje bona abantu balengo cha go sherekea saidi go kukwana ko bamna ba sherekera kwa Chepkati because whatever akorete chinga kicho I don't imagine myself doing it or achieving even half of what he did. So to accept it at the end of the day, I go to gutangaza the opposite of what he did. Arorende ababale side ye bali ba go to kabarenge na ba facts go facts chialengo opposite. Takiwa nenge kana ngelinga kiasirio mabwae to mu accepting aki oli ntato mwaba bana oli no musacha bo muntu oli nsokoro yo muntu oli no mwana bo muntu tumotigenga aki nakia karaba tanga rest in peace jerre uraramu muntu kwede makore bata rest in peace ko muramete ko mochecheli iga at the end of the day tige family nara ntoke utaru mutandanga mumuro na bolinga mutago to murembe agitolere tato minto aso murembe na inure no murembe ngamna makenya gojara to machama ni muyibona iga what message are we sending to machama ni yo muyigo chigocha gosomo cha lady gosomo cha person gochigocha kwekembeki ga IPC
nebane goni amate ayo ekero yargo esoke kura yugo kokwa yabandi pa okoramba rochenga chinkwana nchigo esoke mbasete
privacy
aso kwene kemirubiri ya yatura chwa sore de nisasa ngina bomo waziri otinoto gore ndibwe imumu heshima muri komenesa kacha tabanga echechege ndrete nsemeri yemitandao hanemo no gochecheria abantu abasire banyore chinga kinyoro na bora batimukaso mure
Beyond Clinton ase tuikire Kenya yaito ase ngento tuairire siasa kuna egento kere part of life yani siasa ya very politics bono kere gende kia very politicized ndaite koligere kere gento ase a lens ose biroregete bia siasa which is now affecting our politics. No nye murukomen gozo ndo correspond with that lens. Ebuata siasa in the mind. Bono ndo iko objective. No ene birerevyo ndo iko lera to what ebirangara very straightforward. Na roche Faruk bet neraga kominyoka gochia omalulu njend akaroka no dade ko mobilize kenyoronga lenda ba no to ne family. Asenge jona manye tego chimotua siasa ngoja kwakwere
marango musabera engari yo
it is unfortunate to Wafula Chebukati family ingalende at this prime age mwaka kanya saviri country this was politics. He was a referee in a highly politicized field. You got equal protagonists. President Ruto, Raila Odinga, they had equal chances. So in any way, against Kogenda Moino, aba babu ata equal chances to oppose because you go pinga na batavanga to collective. Same problem to what that one your nature referee. In a game, the losers will always complain and the winners will always appear to be appreciating refereeing in a kiale. Otaganda somopira, Nelly Kirebu Kunga, judge note, I think it's Luke 6:37, about Tabanga, Tigakoro Kananga na yo judge aband. Ekarota iko judge aband na to go judge one. In the two concluding in Tombire Jepkatiata Kolatavi. But again, on the flip side, Chebukati presided over 2 elections, 2017 and 2022.
In fact, repeat bad.
Yeah, there was even the third one. Yeah, the repeat one. So Okoma Chikororanga for the entire period, Igango Ganyere Ngavano Kakusetika Kendeka Kavere, Togontaving a kid. Yomindona Tavanga, it's quite unfortunate. No, I know Montakara Kure, Evin Tombi Kobiswa. Nabako Yoravanto Jibuat information in hash tones. Lakini mbaiko bikwana omuntu na aruara borweireget bomanyire boli botego kwana kasa abantu ngote abara abantu bali baikarazite maega abamanyete ngigete tenyagosira bali baikarazite motu nambaro batamanyete ngigosira kotaka konyoro mugano ngigete kono kogenda kojimaega oyibu yego kwana so lende ekebono gikira sengo ja siasa abantu banzire kokwana openly because of the challenges we faced, simama babo atachinga kichiri, which was quite unfortunate. There is one demeanor ya Jepkati, ya Lenge, quite extraordinary. Timanye tiko sembo kwa clip kanda gionsi Jepkati yako saka. Osage jiria ko iraneli bobe. That was quite an extraordinary skill. Yoko contain that pressure, ability to contain yourself. Ekerogo buna kelinge tagete omonto bwate that character trait. No, atali character ya atali no atali okoiborua aiboirebo. Perhaps it could be something a skill yeta acquire era abengi sana se environment buna area. Ma to mondo na bago kwa na buna tagete. Nginyora isaka san sometimes in 2016 around there. Ega igeta akabai emotional. Akali kapaka mangane mitandao na Raila Odinga ale perennial loser, which was quite unfortunate because any information okoba provoked wakwana it will be used for or against you. Yankole that.
Tikatoja sore Sam in as much as to akwanerenga ase mitandao iga abana inchi mbaga ntawe soke. It's very unfortunate asing njone baga tia barai bubage siasa abara maskana barabo mbaga ntawe soke nanda ke korokana kobeka echeche na gochecheria emirubirega ndete ase amatega ndete kumurera oyo mwabo ko tomengora yago ko chiase yamate na kukwane sabari yae. How can you speak of these leaders buna babenta ko ba good role models kero to castigate abana inchi na leaders yabagana barapungo cha bari baru chinkwa na chitaringia?
Okay, tika on my own behalf, first ndarwa emora ya negotiate family and Kenya at large because that is a statesman. Kwa sababu ikiruhukia IBC wa chairperson and even the commissions ni ikiruhukia kwa the challenges kia it's a hot seat kwa sababu nayo korokana kuleta demokrasia yobochori anene mono ase keroto kwenda sobochori so tigandwe ngora yane na inde no inche I'm one of the guys maybe ndabe korangana ni miaka yane inchere farina arore ku oversight gose ekoligereria mangana yobochori actually is Chebukati korangana ni miaka yane tinda etu kwanera babo ekivuitu awe nalina aragukina omonto narorire na inche actually na participate ya somo chia soyu uyorenge 2022 for my first time in Chebukati and you can tell nekero ke bwata challenges chia. And in any game, when losers think that the referee was unfair, ncheno motioteriwe timu ya Manchester. Lakini olia obwire igakorokana kobanga is appreciating just as Orio Kiateba. So those who felt like they were left out, especially abantu bari Azimio, they felt like they were denied justice. Keratanga stenga bomo bwa Kenya Kwanza maybe bwabeira babwi. Na bwa bange you could even tell echechene nyinge yoko checheringa nembono orairirigeka. That he could have even died almost immediately after atebire umuraibu enso bwire chikura chiri. Igonga ba feltinga igo maybe na bwato botutukanu. Andake bwa changire twe you saw the deputy chair and some other commissioners, they went aside. Bakatebanga they don't take the ownership yoburai andake gento kirige kareta a difference gega changia korokananga bono Chebukati obero monto otabwa toboene ose ogosegeta demokrasia anamona yobochori lakini rende for me we are human twensi no torochi kare kirenga ngwa wakure ne haba kwa kwetenchira gitere mbeko sikwarengo monto renge ne chitabigete reputation ya etarengembe but at the end of the day there's something a rest in peace. Everybody will be coming. Kero monta iruri kononga toginya gusira na hebo kwibere ngoko there's a moment you recognizing omonto no muyori na hebo ibete maybe nenchara yagerete yani it's trying to defend that. So let us respect the family of Mzee Chebukati at this moment. They have lost their beloved one orini somonto na bwate chindugu chiaye na bwate no muswate no are. So let us give them an easy time ayakorekanita akorekanire and let God do the judgment himself. Yes.
Kwanchu morigeria nara yuaso okotume ngora gochase amate ya yewafula Chebukati na boigo abaribanda babiri bagosiria amagimabo ase ekeiga yabeire yokorenta uboba aboigo obukendo ase chiamate chiga Oranganje toske bosio unatuachika ukomanya tosoe asorgongoriga rogusi ukwandra amagendro na boigo hobo kwari oboganda ta ase serikali bire serikali county Nyamira na serikali ye county ya Kisii omwanchu morigeria na boigo bali bagenda tokotubwateria sensemo ye mitandao Facebook Getembe FM ensemo ya YouTube na Getembe TV. Thank you so much na boigo namba itu ye simi vera se screen yawa na boko bana into sange birenge ryo tumanye andemo na magenda gato uchiko kwandra se chinseme chunaga ndrete habari ndaga ntoikirania ali aganire kigato chake ngore ngito chake kuba se county ya Nyamira haruni kurubega sababu kwa nokorio account ya Nyamira sofa ya tware siasa chinyinge okumusandega tiabara impeachment cho mugavana tiabeire ibere chitaraba successful wangoga ikiganto aro chiba kwariga ni muyigabo masabo kweneke una barengo chabaramo babwatrane aboige mirobinere gendrete ya magendra nemano yokwaneke chiparango igobachire. We are almost at the halfway ye serikali ga ye county ya Nyamira. So far so good na kema gendara se county ya Nyamira.
Litangani kuchagema litukuli korona narenge ase chindame cha Nyamira kobwa mono ase esukuru ya mura Nyamira boys ngo nabongo kwa namno muntu naru Nyamira naru kiroli lakini nde ase siasa mostly tokotabanga expectation ya jirigoro na ndego ikatonya kama kutokuligenjera to manage expectations na in as far as na to manage expectations told the average by 20 account nyomora yogoteba tinga ne para go chokobekera agenda muneli bagoteba elio musikeru tagoteba kwanda gosiyata gotsenga ye mulita tina ya bwata byego abwante ko ba el account bonga kingwa tebe tinga no choro sie pareye turanyeros rigende karo kuligereria matukabwa ngo igamune account Nyamira chipara cyarole kana chikoigoro sana bagete chitarenge kindi yaro ichikobe kwemero mu chinde cyaro kabira kitamo governor musinyalibo na orega ndoko okolonje bira gitebijine machine chikore machipara igo in a way in one way or the other progress yaro kaniro koranga political stability ya muchiko rekana bwangoiga yaje tekoba tata yabete cloud no muyigori bwa masabo inawi no yabara ibande no yabara ibange mbikira ntioro muno muri kitufatika disemba tatenga sabara igati igati yabara ibalwe kana ndembale batakira ndi namba nere taikira nti bali balenga samugete. At the end of the day serikali te wanjira 100%. Tali serikali ya Nyamira ranjira 100%, tali serikali ya Kisii County ranjira 100%, tali serikali ya Nene Musikiri ya Muruti ranjira 100%. Ewa ranjira 100% iko political players imbali bako chikotikara isikoga batabu atikende ngao bagokora. Tukura none se county ya Kisii naro na bako temokoranga matukabwa ngoiga obupara bwa machiri konya ko igorugoro na bako etasekete konya pali mbwango yale metu goja gochese biribi kororekana. Na bono for example se mochari ya maranje igorugwa ngoiga na ojo sa mochari nire korotsu kungaite gesu inawe akantunka ka koreka segete gakoronga ebintu mbigende to koreka ekyo mwali ko kulgere mono egendo kia letre contribution yake ko bwa mono se county chibere county ya Kisii ya Nyamira mono ande turatiga ya Nyamira turende ya Kisii County na mangana chipasari mwe tabara ya baito ba MCA na bagafana mbagete bagashitume kabuna egento kya magendero kolengana lichikoliria go chika koliko rutese kambero nga SAM control budget nga chibeta serikali ye county bwentiko wa appropriate chibezo chese ama school chire go chaka chi school cyo boroso chigoro ngendo kalingero ta contribution ya gamune county ya Kisii konya chi form chi chipasari cha ruru Pona way forward dira runga kichi form chipasari chikwira ni ngikeka tubande kolekana next ese assessment ya mabinto biri bigenda to koleka se account
asa nje konyo niko konyo chiave kino na se budget
kwa budget mna wana account ya Kisii supplementary budget nja wasate watch ba sina watch yangi ya bunti no way forward ya communicated in a key what is it that is going to happen
Gasore HC Dennis Tumanyango asensema county ya Nyamira ni county ya Kisii as unarunia chikire convention ni amagendarara angire korokana why is it karato ikire halfway torochie go soase ensemo yende na dia magendara ngire korokana chipara changire koigorwa kegima
biyamano morali Clinton normally safe for Nyamira because into what omogaba ora saviri term na concluded your term ya the late Nyakarama I tend to believe na what understanding na what obomanya key systems na one framework ya county ya colleagues lakini bado otieke pindikaliga ke buaterete moshi okati pono na bantu barenga office ne team ya lenge ya Nyagarama I think go change na korangara colleagues nere siasa nkega ko manage na bintu binde ko ikaya musumbuete sana bono at the level yo kwenda chikura ne campaign of course nja lengo ya 2022 kobuato molero buye gororenka yako beko mwelekeo ebe challenge yake after 2022 buna chola tu buno mogavana because he was a deputy akatira igoro bona nalia anseteke pindi kia hebuya I think yora abe ile challenge kurumo ina lende miyake yebera ngene nusu tu akolre if I'm not wrong chi impeachment chi ajire attempt yoko mo impeach chi ajira ngebe ase esabali ya kisiasa karo korokano ta ete ko ba impeached ina bego ko set back sana ngoko iraniere back wale ta your senses together ngikega nderete kwa manya siasa elinga kiura manage I think ya very challenge although he is trying in terms of roads ko igora na binto binde ko banga ko catch up buna bono we are at 2.5 years and ya very covered save for the impeachment binto bia eta itirega nona bantu ke bali kirende bakoli moshara ntwanya ko se meshara ya nyoli rupi permanent bantu banya kwa kanu part of it is also human development but I can tell you there are expectations bako anda ba create zikali opponent na bego ja yakwa na buneta itako kuana ya tebanga ni nchemba ko regento gete asinge njono no mwana inchi iga expected ya tebe wegente ekyo kotimiza because one of the standards ebirangara liebye byachiete igoro mono bono mwana inchi bikaba so feasible manifeste kaso kamono nende kaba very clear apa ko mwana inchi yako bolio gatebango torose liole chibasa rinotoe gotamanyanga inkikega ndreta afterwards ya very challenge bono commit those things as at now gatikati ya no governor bona go ko realize hachi doja matuka achire because if we have 2.5 years to go then we'll be having like 1.5 years ko organize na go chimotua ekara matuka ansire ko kaba panic nero monto ngo ikaro panic no ga ko bolio governor because opponents bono go nyabanzire ko ganga na boko yunga chi opponent cheo chako bangeire bako gatire rona matanga abamura ba mobilize buya kabisa ogo chiko kwa na kuogerwa soko chiko tuma bantu ba bogerwa ogo chiko tuma ko senero ngoli yakanwa ngika koranga those signs chi ansire ko cha then eko ko send back to gentongero turakora development nende bona bana siasa bairana kuiorganize ngai nyola chikura chinyinge ominyoka ko kora binto bibero bitata chabalerwe none backyard ya stronghold ya na rominyoka so part of it na kieke ko majikorogana that is Nyamira of course Kisii County we had a bit of a challenge deputy governor anja achiete monda akara minyokiwa then governor had to bring a replacement because of course the same constituency kama jikorogana what challenges here then of course the relationship yomo governor no woman rep and the senator yeah a little bit tricky tell that clear ngogenda bali baruterana mangana sikoga iga ekigioka nkikogera development yako because if a governor things nga senate mo gatire era uroso plan nga kiara gatire senate so bono na venga no go pima na then you don't realize development but that was a realize matuka achire kwanyore bintu bya buruka of course to are the opinion polls ko minyoka round a bit of a challenge kwanyore opinion poll ye county government here igoro ko se number 3 yende kwanyore ko se Nyamira was around number go say 8 and whatever it was number 43 sometimes back. Some opinion polls could come Kobeke County at the top, lakini governor na individual kwanya walebe kirense. So ranking yeli na yone challenges here in terms of service delivery. Gusi monokisi na Nyamira toko te makoligereli inkikere kia muhimu mono. Kwanya health could be an issue. Kwanya issue ya agriculture, it could also be an issue toko lige go say factor toko lige. So in terms of ranking na wako ranking county na Nairobi, lakini Nairobi is more or less a brick and mortar, nothing much. Karokonya Nairobi evegete budget ya agriculture na bintu binde, you fail to understanding ya koru Nairobi. Unlike agricultural counties like Trans Nzoia, where you can highly rate accounting a performing in terms of agriculture. Once a correct one of Trans Nzoia, for example, on your rate in Nairobi, rate go say a matrix yoko to make an agriculture, go say factor in agriculture, then you may not get the point. Nairobi go rank you in terms of a level ya able to do, which could be perhaps an issue to do with the service delivery, because one economic county that does more on service, ya koena ne service, abantu bakora business, na collection on source revenue, na general revenue. That could be the way to rack legal.
Ito ya sore sam tonyore na overview comment about the development ika tutara turigerie ningi goja kia hinda development ika nchikira na century ringia.
So nchike ntoda kwane to chakire Nyamira na raba mitwa chakire. So ntaiti ko salia constitution yenye. Nyamira umugavana Nyaribo actually no barengi no mugaka Nyagarama the late, may so rest in peace. Ntunde ntangani akabere bagaso yaka nyorobo akasirio bugmabuae no mugako Nyaribo kore tamweli akamanyogo seke mandate yabantu na inda gaswa ase maybe bono erentunda yae. So I think if you look at that experience since Nero Jagate evolution na poku manyango manyire system yeyo na nena maitenga kya kwenya ko bagago strategize amagendero y'abantu banyamira. And again Clinton, you see karabantu bako and the campaigns, these politicians sometimes I feel like mbaraba ko over promise and they promise something na henda abantu mbare macha sia abantu bara batarengera nyanki kwa kwanete. There's those people who know exactly what you said, no chokoreke neke and whatever that you promised on what ati abantu no wa factory, they are really waiting for that. Na inde andake I think in this Kenya of ours ndo some civic education chiwente ko korbuchi asabantu batabunga egasyo mu governor nererie abantu bari batamaite bado maybe they feel like tara koreke na buranyo monta complaining oroye para uranyo kare go sene ya national government lakini still mama but they feel that umuntu wente gukora maybe no mu governor in future civic education yakorbuya amanyenga egasyo mu governor nererie. But looking at development yo mu governor chiparanchiro na nene mono buna feeder roads and whatever chiwenda ko be county recently to ara ba launchiri chiparango nya koreka na chire, of which that is what we expect, because again take no mora yago choru no kwenekia magendro. So when we are seeing chipara chire link the county chiko koru, that is good. And nene mono as a sector health we need go ramali yako kako genda se chinyagitari and some facilities chiko ba improved nebi fambiro abuna bone bia scanning and whatever biko korekana as maybe asensemeri ya Nyamira tiganda tebanda ke abantu mba machiko korokana eka county ya Nyamira ya machikoro kananga maybe they are lagging behind amangana ya magendro because of some obvious reasons to akora chia nyarako bachiko korekana. Kuna bono he had a challenge inyoranga ile achorino ne kiama kia UPA na bantu mbare in the assembly baba opposition unabono ngwara mba impeach mo speaker Orengo. There's a time we had issues no henige itagie county yego tagurwa ikioma itege go send back to the drawing board. It means that there's something that is not working. So in one way ominyokalinga tigara ara organize bono muna twara masaba are tugaria bara ibons boikirane. It shows that he wants now stability and your time yoko kora magendro, and of which we still have time egerenga amagendra nyara kuboka kweniki wasensemelia toko cha finally ya Sekisi County briefly singe nchinsa ndochenga we also there are steps making ndo atware challenge impeachment of a deputy governor bono ndo wata new deputy governor na chisegi chinde kidogo maybe chiabu uko Taiwana kemagendero maybe mo women rep no mo senator maybe they are not talking, but for me I want to believe it is one of the oversight methods maybe karwata banga kende ngera korekana, that is oversight. It's not necessarily to personalize that thing, but we are hoping that abarayaba much as they promised something and they know what they promised and they know what the constitution requires them to do as the leaders of the county, we are hoping mbabe case structures chiraina kinga chiparando chengo nyakolonchi kuchirena mangana ya nyagitari as part of the amagendra wente kweneki kwa sabantu borgongorwa kusi na Nyamira.
Perhaps again leadership ndo kwenye centralized county governors talk what a lot of things that we got to happen. Members of parliament know what a role they play in terms of oversighting ko legally budget at the national level kiba kobe kachiba as chigenda into development. Ndo what the members of parliament ba ko wachiba as our CDF bande ko wachiba as roads ndo what as kera, then of course beyond that into what major roads into what highways chiko manage kuna some roads
Kena na Kera
management Kena Kura those are the significant infrastructural projects na jiro ya muhimu chialigerero yakaroko ligerero in terms of allocation ya budget inkia barai baito ko members of parliament in terms of allocation babeke ko national government chibase chiko ganda from national assembly inki ba allocated. I'm aware ko rugusinto buat one member of parliament, I think it's Chaffed MP for Kitutu Church North Nero we karansa in the budget committee. However time yaba yaire will be so engaged na hera to moving forward, but ekaroko ba ligere limono ocho soro oche na Chaffed. You realize there are roads chia Kolusobo, chia Chilami, unlike other constituencies, both Kisii and Nyamira, you realize Chubago Tebanga closer to government, chances are very high na boko nyora development. I'm aware Chilami njire beresa to na para jinde beresa to chia Rokandre Chiko gana to those areas. If there could be other constituencies, maybe total. But again, I've seen Member of Parliament Kitutu Masaba. Clive Ombanegi Sairo ga korokana na minister ya energy Opiyo Wandayi ko launch some Relec Rural Rectification Authority chi stima abananchi konyora emerero in those places. So nekyo no nyango so akere level ya development we can also record that. It is equally important.
Na commenta sense moja ise county amagendo each county again taking abantu bako chibaligerere chibasa chi kobeko ise county samna mito kwananga abantu mbokwanta ko participation bamanyenga ila sio MCN ila sio governor ila kogenda and I think umo senator mochore sio kinyoro na beko tumusode me senate ulingi teka tukinga I think something civic education like that ase act yani konya abantu bamanyenga bono iga for example ekaroko suguma muna no mu MC ogusuguma akora muganda gutuzakora tuno rojigete ase gutunaga kurigeta rose we need to understand nga MC etabuga tikiti no ane shiringire yae none chitabu chotanga umugavana we county ya Kisii musike Paul Simbarati orure chi milioni sana uchikere ward tariko andaye muna Kisii Central ya monyanya chi milioni cha isano ngechi chidi akamwa on the paper chikwanete tu so on the paper lakini bado muntu kuchi appropriate na kumenya kichiko tumeka no mugavana. So at the end of the day yame kutoka nga MC na bago suku mwakalike ndogete na barabu yake gose out of political reasons mbali ko nyarwa msiembara chai bibol batebe bale me batebe ngaki ntundu bwa tikiti timati bara rekana garwara kwana ngaki ntundu bwa tikiti kasi to no oversight kasi to no kome okorosia machiko na kasi to na representation but nero equal value gose a role ya MCA oversight legislation na geto ko representation katibona atenda okiri katitoje tuwera na sa mangana development twanyala ngana basugumire side MCA na bakuboli bunge para no ne para kwanda ku hoteyo ataenda kutete kwa singa kile ndio kingo cha kota ya bawo sajira tubu atotori tab no mo governor
nakio
na nchi kintu na recommend asama ngero
briefly
county because we are kwanire about civic education actually abantu bro bakoba push tabarai to a point like tari tatabwan tuwekirawe unabona in the county level matengo tachira mangana education beside from we have the bursary but ndo bwata mangana ECD then you find out that ECD na bana babake the pre-primary I think we need also to look at that especially as so maybe okolika bali mwabuna ko bachibesa what has the counties played which role have they played up to that
na recommend akantu kakaiga abana injo ma temba da bintu bire tangible actually impact ya kobenene ekomajigo kuna abana inchi mono you talk about the roads ipaharasa abantu bagoita is a message ya kogenda very fast you can easily tell development in era by just walking okogenda no ane gali yakwama epikipiki yakwama you tell igabono kwanyora abantu no nabagani bakorwa se bakorwa babolinga igabo no muchumbo ino ningo igabo no mugabana ningo because of the road the nature parere impossible ya rokanre then of course igendo kene estima abantu gukora even the young people gukora biashara byabe kinyozi porpea chisimi na bintu binde ngo nyora barenga some area section gete nere tabuati stimapi ona banda bare egesuntime then of course ikia muhimu kabisa ebasari ebe no bwato mwana gostopu ate mwana ebasari yakere gotangaza ngo sokere applications choka chiko soke chigocha abantu babwato a lot of hope babwata matumaini nga ebasari ene nkonyake no nya to apply basari yu comment wore WhatsApp group ochangero mwano so mbuye basari yeche ekonye bote bali bakoligie basari no bali batayikoligie mbabe ku WhatsApp group bachangeru I think yekina giye ma chikorokana if an MC or a member of parliament go say omo governor aise konyora those 2 or 3 things right ebibinda tote wengan in terms of agriculture leta mangana value addition in terms of health make sure nga health wise nya gitari nchironchi wata Mario dispensaries at that local level mbuya chiko kolie binto then you get it right. That's why no ensha ipo the problem on because it affects abantu straight mondo konya na bwate patient one of that contribution yaje
ketocha sore arun tura kwandengane iga kurutwa kanyorete devolution of course that is what we expected as njo devolution ya rekoreta magendro nsari aso mwananchi. Have our leaders not realized the separation of powers in terms of very to achorirwe njeni oversight na no bwatega implementation no na bwatega legislation abara itubwata se gusiga gachi ward nkorangie almost 65 abuna ba MCA aba senator mbabere kuro county ya Kisine ya Nyamira na bwo ntubwata ba senator babera bachore as leaders taken this person on akero montago kora oversight iganga ngete because I don't think Kenya ntubwata mo senator ko iwana no mo governor ntubwate mo governor o survive vonya ta ko beke gatia ba MCA ase mbaru ya ega banya ko mueti have we not separated powers in terms of oversight and implementation
ekaro head of state accommodation that yori kia kwa nalitangani na teba igoro ya politicize keregendo bono igamuga mo senator ndebo nse gotena kwa nebo bigoro governor most probably abande bagatabanga oyo ni gapimete kiruge kia tatu chikuboli bo governor bono abuya mo gotoka nga already egendo garanga ki onye gotagete asoke oikaranse nkikira to mubikira mo chata bugati so ikibono gia mwamie no nyobwate right intention kia mwami kia karengere kia yego se idea ya yogo likoligire serikali bono tofauti yarone nse mnabono totebe US America tarraisyo konyoro mo senator gotiga go borio bo senator chikoli bo governor that's why konyo muntu mna Joe Biden ya bete o senator for 40 years wano ina chia chiko condemn governor ya state ya Sakuru wengegi oyo pardon is a life senator inawe aita yo kaitse kobo nandi tobe kanyanga transition nyingi abajumba bange ba transition group jumbe babira ba governor aba senator ba transition group governor babira ba group senator babira ba governor paka sabu MCS babira ba governor igo genuineness yo condemn yabo dire nenge tukene neke interests akaro kwa condemn for example omo senator county ya Kisii a condemn mu governor mo senator Richard Onyonga condemn mu governor Simba Arati inke kiamo suguma omo condemn ritangani reality nero nkirikira to kikirimi ya kiamo suguma kitota maite lakini perception ya ito sikanereri ntubwate njira turarigireri to charge to them ki condemnation yo masana cheso mo governor ne genuine condemnation yo masana ta cheso mo governor te genuine ne bwata conviction ntubuda bana nchi bona amuna wasif education ne gochira na mangana public participation no agochira muna bona njira yo masana tara tenene ata bi mo governor nga para ya kisi keroka ya college accident nyingi abuna bokera mwanje ne mwana nchi maita katanga ya abgaranga chigiro mo governor lakini omo sana dai mo gata bana town yeto bosongo ne nchafu abuna no mwana nchi maita nga na batanga ki town yero randa umugavana wende kuligira igonto muntu tonda stamina bana nchi karo nyimotra totara kiro muntu chingo binga yo go sirio mo senator tomaga binga wa yo muntu mare musana ko te mo senator ke ni kikere to understand ki error ye ide rio yata kere go play
there's a thin line between oversight and criticizing, you know, opposing. Normally, in Tobuate, at the county government, in Tobuate, primary oversight, you are MCS. Most of them, if you are not aligned, because in Kuachete na chama iliyo mugavana bet elected in there, because coalition, chances are, nabokuwa nyora on the wrong side of the governor, you may find yourself politically incorrect because bona nabora pinge because of the mindset. Una watch no manyetenga a ground kwa support yo mondo ko boli governor o mongao tabetio yo. Like any other politics, it works out. Unfortunately, ko soa kwa nyorango ole minority. MCS bonsipi abataka ire bakole one of the primary roles ne linga tigatora aligerelia e budget to iro mugavana to aitiri. These are the things vire in the budget. NRCIDP to budget. This is our annual development plan. Inkikere in the ADP. At the end of the day, inkio mugavana ako implement muamoire budget kerege to moitiri pake supplementary budget. Mwanza ko kebuati mwensi bono in general because your role ye no na ere jumora anza ko oversight. Mama eronyoanga the other challenges jigo chachiaba. Amangana contracting, amangana procurement. Ekere binte bia chire bia beire then ntobuate a period yo kwa resources appropriation jirimu abegete chibese chama ya gwanga gocha ko se delay yaba. Budgeting a little bit of a concern. Bono yaikero mugaba na sako tebia MCS bono inukara ngete none supplementary budget ndami nyokie bire bwanga ake. By the time woko nyore contractor ko sem procurement yo kora a contractor yacha ba bid ya korwa kwanyo chi contractor out of chipara was 20 tete ko korwa chi contractor chi achire 20 out of these 20 a contractor ya yamanya ko realizing ekasie ni nyakora embura ya ture ekasie bono te konkonya 10 or even 15 contractors bati kachigasie echo it will take you back nendo anza ko kora mangana procurement iri ekasie bono yakonga unfortunately kwanyoranga that 15 contractors bati legas majority of them ba tikire chibigas ba okora to the opposition MCS abata go support what do you do ba collector pressure then kwa manya kanyoranga omo senator kosono moguman rep by me fact that governor ngo managere kitia kanana kebuata a lot of resources ende governor ya assumiringa abanta bambai ko ngagara kuraga mbai ko ngete budget nothing much nda ba consult let me deal with MCS ya babara because even atengi happen MCS abana bara deal nanje tiganda focus ya sebale gavana yama yakonyora senator yama kokonyora ya waka kweli ko so waka iresi mitoiko imokia ogo waka se bomanya koteba abuga sawo kwa no manya kotanga nganje no basaitingo kora negazi ya nengo kora at the end of the day you don't take it easily kwa iranga oyongo nchekiali kwali get the best thing yoko moaga na bono yaro kananga it is politics. Yeah.
What do you think kero eyego happen a situation una Nyamira gorengi chibunge ni very chire because ndo wate bunge la mwananchi ndo wate na ande bunge yende constitution yege ndeta samaga charia manyire ne richiko ase bunge ya county ya Nyamira.
Pressure groups are good. Yeah. Chi ebyombe bikorwanera obo maene bwa mwanya bantu ko se CSO civil society organization ne chingi ya chire. Because aliase MCF fileting abana nje ba fileting MCF tara akorabuya these pressure groups will do it. Omasana tatara akorabuya mugabana tara akorabuya they also come in a gap ne ba go cha ba feel there is a vacancy, there is an opportunity montara exploit ya akorera ko seno obokurumi ko segento kende bono civil society majorly ina regasi yabo then they also take advantage on the public participation because mwananchi tamanyeti the dates in the public participation yegoja kokoro mwananchi tamanyeti inkieke yegoja kokuanerwa ababa civil society some of them are experts amangana constitution ibamanyeti amangana budget cycle mba understand tie kininki ababona abagoja ba ile information mapema baba tenga public participation necheche this is what you are supposed to do because some of them nkoro bale chi ward yecho karwa ko chi ward yecho no embaro bomba mayete para gete deligo eteka getajo gete ngira rozigwa in one or the other they are also part and parcel of the problem where kenyoro bona kibekora bago spearhead the agenda to participate
tigatonyore
ya chibunge chire ese county na mira nkaite report ndo to karabota ko kurwese umurikito thinking Fatcard ya podcast I think Fatcard gatebanga ebunge ne ebunge county na bakanyirikana ne ebunge county nyamira nja etia umuswada oyigeti bose no moju umamsi bwegwari yakiyabonye rumu sike Vincent Pedecha agatebanga batene niri ebunge yende yango kubunge mashinani baitiringa yango kola ebikale bire iliko na bakanyaka bako mochumo muspiko mukoro musikano kukeronga niga gutumeka ebikale byo kubagana nyamira na umamsi bwegwari ya manga gaitena Roberto yobotu kabisa ko mochi okero gatebanga ebikale bye bunge yeguruka nero bunge machinani ebyabere bigo salie kaunti nyamira sana lakini ne kartogoliye bunge yo ngende seriki kana bago twanya ngaki kote butolenga ase mesiere no ebungere one mesi ya nyamira
bari mabwate mesi yabo nande unfortunately some of the elected MCs go attend but so yingo to kera se
ndo ke wapen na kamo speaker na beko gazette a sitting lakini a simple authority na mess so wherever mess here go jatanye gazette yebe in his own house or home it must be a public forum, it must be a public place and it must be gazetted. So lende in as much as barataka konyebeka muino na muino, by the way it can only be maybe in another assembly or somewhere, and there must be justifiable reason ye kogera gazetted yo
tigatura nyore nkwana ya sam zora genda somo tumekosam can our leaders then start to realizing oversight nebwente ko koru genuinely na ronate ba nabokonya romo to oversight na bwate interest na bwate maybe even that to achieve in as much as this politics is about interest but rene to manya oversight kero montaka kora either aifanyi in bad faith akonya kora in goodwill na ndebo sa akonya kora for the interest ya mwananchi.
So for being a daughter commenter with my friends nearing we have politicized everything yani kirege ton siasa na no mora ina ngende kanisa na rumo chango na kole everything is siasa era bara enda we sent 10,000 achande kanisa ende aru seto 20,000 ma deba jagir maybe urure chinke. So me I don't understand the genuineness to what especially as abara ya baiga be county una bono when you see almost senator maybe akobori something either way nyamire go say oyo kisi county na bono by the they don't read from the same page. The two senators. Boni ko koro kananga again take it get political because politics is something that everything is politics. Yani Kenya is all about politics. Chikura na Jeralero mambi it's all about politics. Campaigns and whatever. So anytime almost senator go say muna no mo jumbo de bonsi akubolinga na ki county yetara kore gana ge koro kananga either again tutagete no creo que that's why otari kwa agree and whatever that the governor is doing. To be honest, avanaba I want to to me example na Kisii County. When we had the campaigns, you saw Murai women rep, senator, governor, they were all working together looking for those votes, separating those houses, whatever. They did that. So from the people because they were coming together. So when we have some differing ideas, you don't agree and you wonder whether that is maybe for the purpose of oversight. Like in oversight, they want to cover something so personal. A senator has a right kobori umugavana nga why has this thing not done, because we were for appropriation and maybe for oversight purpose. So it is not bad from a senator, whether it's by good faith or bad faith, kobori nga again take as long as kiri genuine again take nga kitara kolekana and maybe there's some allocations done there. Kugo jasa ensemo ya MCA, we have had issues that mara ngoba bare kuru even chikaunti chinde ngankora ayubare nkora bare pocketed nga as long as maybe motari kwegiri no mu MCA osana ba MCA again bago tisha maybe ni impeachment. Are you seeing? So the first thing that a governor needs to do nga ara first of all ara ensure nga awamate bobu yamba kolete kimboro bona bono you can tell from Meru County you have seen obwamate bolio buya botari koneke kwase county government ngobo koleta some casualties nyinge to a point that there are some impeachments. So in one way or the other oversight na bimete ko constitutionally, like ask what is supposed to be asked. Ask what is supposed to be asked, like onye na mangana yomo MCA aba MCA squeeze imbaliko soka by the baba open but having ayaya into gas yet no oversight. That is why we need some civic education that having omo MCA gas yae ne ata ekuliringa ki chibese charu Nairobi if it's 13 billion Chakisi County what nkigekobeku the budget, how is it going, then we approve in whatever or save or disapprove in one way or the other. So that is the better oversight. Yani totuare condemnation ili ya magendero lakini according to us njira tuanarire torenga yani umuntu naboni ngakigose nyagitariete taranyora gentete for us yani tokoranga it is something like it is so politics like again take ogetakete in one way or the other.
Ngana ya mutochero mutimoko in less than a minute a county agesi oversight yako question bono asengenjo for example this is my opinion mo speaker we county agesi mo ske Dr. Philip Nyanumba ase governor no ale timatinga nsanga bya kujo separate ko rwese county assembly among executive because njidaro nane esegorali ekoba essential contact between the speakers of both houses and president as necessary lakini ese county yagisi abu bona una mangana nokora kwane nga omo speaker we county yagisi so mubwekano nigare mono no mo governor in fact mpaka ko bwa amara
can I just a second
the debate is getting harder. Tunaona builds kidogo studio ya kamera toko reno mwanjo morgeria toko so in a weekly review asengenjo surprising you guys surprised asengenjo ingesitenge ngenda toko tarase bunge na bunge ya senate. It's very unfortunate thing bali bago oppose bono the agenda ya serikali ingesiriki ababwatire bakase bunge committees are being set up bali barenga abanyakerogo some of them might be losing these crucial positions. Toko no mwanjo muri atochiko kumanya singenjo ODM in as much as Dennis Oriogeche sinada banga uko wa baba disababa kwa kwate casualties ni kama ODM is reaping big as serikali kwa natora serikali kitani
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamugusi
Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited Mero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu bilia bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chechi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nigwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iriya bantabati wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo elekenga enyumba yao use hasomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores. the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamugusi.
Nilan Hub niye moya chiduka echo chikone bintu bigutumika service na bigase nyumba yao, yani furnitures asili golidia mabuko ebyo bikomenya segeka asechinsamo cha living room mbabwata chi throw pillows echo chire chichingenjo au nabwego ne chikala au mbabwata recliner sofa sets echora onchora ne buno kuganya kwawo kole nkone bale fabric sofa sets echo chire chechi 7 seater nabwego ne chechi 6 seater echo chire chechi rangi nechi design au nkone bale marble and glass top adjustable TV stands echora tumeke asokubeke TV ya obu ya ase chinsamo cha coffee tables nkone bale wooden coffee tables mbabwate glass top coffee table nkone bale marble top coffee tables egatie chinde chinyinge asinsamo cha dining room mbabwate dining table na boigo nechi set korwa asemete ya mahogan echuchire chechi 6 seater na boigo nechi 8 seater na boigo mbabwate marble top inyuranga Nilan Hub igobwato murulio olipa pole pole asuwanchiro wakanira ebintu bigangorangora wika wakolire tonyole imeyo muchomo songo asebara yasunika migori otaraikasenya gitaye lya nyangena boigo ndabogwaka esimi gwetrase chinamba chito echo chire enote sano libere kyanda eyemo isano libere isato kyanda ibere inye kose enote sano libere isano nesato ibere inye eyemo inye isano libere inye elio okole amonjilio asinka ya olero Nilan Hub, where style, comfort and quality meet.
Getemba Television ekeonga.
Mwancho murigeria karibu sana na ndembe yamana soko gendra gusangana into goto bwatirya bona sense meiga ya kabiro togoswa the weekly review tonyara ko bato kurigeria ya enekiwe ase eike gakorwa ase serikali ne kurende nganchira sengencho kedo kwa no mutimoko namo na chake Dennis Orioki nabo ate nkwana yo kubekira ase ngencho ya hamoro mahake aro no tutonate banga emiro birenere tari niya na range point ya machuko moroka yanko second chinkego to tarasko bosio
mbiyamano moralia message na aleko tabane linga tindarora bakongu governor gotoka ne speaker in a forum go say in more forums because essentially gasie governor ne speaker ge ko machikoba symbiotic speaker go preside over the assembly ne governor of course ne role in charge of the executive na development ye ko machikoro kanango mosigo lense moyaye so under that context na bokonyora their bills chinde chire some level ne governor neta eteko kuanera bana inji inga e budget nera go samangana na ya basari speaker no hora totebingo supplementary budget inka ye chire elinde to konya bana inji in one way or the other one arm they go work without the other one so out of a mere context baumera ne forum where metemine ngamba bwa the shady deals bala ko second but I'm looking at it ngokera bunege ntokerenga it is complementing each other rather than doing things the other way around wananchi msioma izokonyora bale na omo governor all through the governor netaka ko make some statements MCA ya tebirenga governor ngabeke budget kustoka budget ye paragetera akuwa nebinto paka majiko kora bananji bamo shangile batebe ngo kwanire buya omanya konyora the same forum balenge governor could have come MCA teyo akuwa nebinto bya ebuna akole tekeregento nenonyole MCA teikorwa chama yae gosemba kago chiana amo ngwaroli rangi amorusi amokole kisiasa tikara ko mwana opportunity
tikatuske bosio kindly tikatuske bosio asengenjo na mango mwancho muri ya ganda ta sense mega ya magendo meta magendo na botoko ya kwana kurubono mpaka chinga kichire tikatuske bosio toso ase weekly review to chake na asengenjo I once sense moye mitandao yako watebanga by 2027 ento bwatanda ke candidate ibere chire chi project chia certain people, but to be specific asense moyo mheshimiwa Raila Odinga ni kama never no kukukwa yari asense moyo AUC o irandrega iga Kenya in as much as a comeback ya ntu atayotana beta chikobangie, but it seems things are getting good abara imbali ba ko rip big road in terms of kwa na committee chiga se bunge
yamono omon tobono iga umurai bono igo in between rock and a hard place. Igara catch 22 situation, political situation, Raila Odinga. For a mere fact, number one, konyoge kirama tumaininga ekeroge ke UC olirobacha. Yegeteke kamwake dafurao akaira na back. Okuira na kuwa emaega konyo somehow declare nga Kenya yabono ndo chengo nya kerando kwa heli nche inkole kutoka Addis Ababa nilietali isi neli ngao baba liko matiko enda nere bono baba ataponea baba Addis Ababa. Unfortunately we are Mozambique. Then abana siasa mbale tobwa especially babe chama ya ODM ba opposite lakini toikoranga mbali clear na oppose kwa for one reason. Mwana siasa okoru Luo Nyanza na some parts of Western Kenya. Ekaro Raila na coast. Ekaro Raila taliye ballot, presidential ballot. Aba ko lose because wana mbabu ati agenda. Mbabu ati kento ba kohonia. Baro ba ko danga mimi damu yangu ni baba. Ekaro baba ataka hiyo ballot 2027. Bakaranga chances yoko bunjiro because mbaka buga ati agenda ende. Bakatwara obuwa bagetenga baba asakogenda. Abu bona babo iranire banzira ko tanga bono. Serikali ngango support tole Ruto iyo bado banzire korokana kwa manya kwa nyarwana chi faction chi abeire. Number 2, it goes without saying Raila is likely to support President Ruto 2027. Come rain come sunshine, it could be planned, it could be by default or by design. By default by mere facting omo wako yonaro support you KU sinendo renga taraira. By design baba can decide yabe ballot asoko dinaye bantu bande bataite kubolia maybe Wamunyoro nata ite sponsor candidate asoko koso na numbers eike emachikoro kananga Ruto moye chilaut na ero leader number 2 bai wana motenga no ane run of toko gende kana gotike kose ba minyoke the mindset nga ono na bebi ntobirega torabirigere ninga kibiko tokora numbers imbi yachire amwendos ekendene ya Kalonzo. Truth be told, presidential candidate, but the truth is, Kalonzo control Kalonzo igara able to be controlled in our Wamunyoro son. Rigathi Gachagua is more comfortable na Kalonzo Musyoka than Matiang'i. Uhuru is more comfortable na Matiang'i than Kalonzo or any other individual, maybe Ruto, Kalonzo, and these other people. Bono bamanya kotoka nga the 3 sponsors chia candidates babu adachi project Matiang'i abuatere ile kabisa na Uhuru Kenyatta inere project ya 2027 Wamunyoro goserika ti Gachagua abuatete project ya koro Kalonzo na kikwa majiko ramba majiko kwane gento kitari bakonyo cha bakaranga ya yango salito lakini timu ya Jubilee ya manyetenga inkikia kwanwa there are things mogo kwana lakini bilimuta iko kwana bikororwa decisions. That's on the following day Jubilee gasoka ikamajiko soka na some people, some more or less committee, some committee ka wada bando 20 because about this is our official statement because in a statement nyamaje diko soka na Wamunyoro and the other people moino igoro bana ontu tikatora asoke statement yeto ne committee because they dismissed him ba mo dismiss thing ayo gocha ayabweka because ngokwana a committee yakwana secretary general ayabweka bana bakaligia committee the other team konya yatakire endozi Kalonzo perhaps bara Ruto bache ni Wamalwa tabe na njengo bandi mejiga.
Thank you.
Then right after you saw what Senator Cherargei and the team were doing. They were warming up. Baba Digai uno prime minister. That is a message. Kaluma was saying Ruto is doing well. We are in the government.
Thank you. Nitoja sore ya nasi nchono nyensi funa nere obere kako ba the end tail end yokonyora this criticism tikato kwa ndase ngencho it's very unfortunate no nyamba libo no bare go pose emero bire serikali it's unfortunate nga ruma sinjiro ndindi nyoro na bata irane buno munyakero go budget committee kina Oburu Odinga they are reaping big na ukonyora ro munyakero go committee ya energy What do you think Baba's influence ya una Dennis ya tebire ya soire go support Ruto, and it's evident for 2027 na bara mwako poko
ito kuchaka ni statement jibere related to politics and panganeli watabanga ki a day in politics is long enough. Everything can change upside down in a day. Yeah, kabiri ne ya watabanga a good dancer knows when to leave the stage. So this is the situation chief executive Muskiraira Amolo Odinga. Number one, again to go chikogaranga chances zichire igoronga Raila na bara atachukubuli karugekika yo president 2027 aso kulirenga abantu abanene be timu yaye be side ya bali influential bonige bali serikali totebe total 70% because muna Aston Joe deputy party leader Wiki Waparanya deputy party leader John Mbadi abana atabange close na yara kabisa abantu ayo karoko babo biyo wandanyi karoko baligereri. I don't see again tora ajigo promise Aston Joe ochiko mu 2027 esa serikali yao ko bobo siasa bwatabonaga. I don't expect ngero ora atabono John Mbadi ko mutenga ki ngabono karuwe esa serikali ya Ruto injiko kwa inkiko chikumweka nako buga kwa umuwasiri o treasury. So abana bantu in a way bali in comfort zone. Wana bantu bali banyole in an awkward position na bantu bali bakurunga headliners yabo Sifuna bono. Muntu mna Sifuna ina realistic ete yasokanga Sifuna Nyongo na James Orengo na bali ina banyole in a very awkward position is bali raikiri go tugutukorwa se wale kiriko tukutukorwa se timu ya Raila asenye jwa Raila ba ko mopose ba tate ko opose serikali in whatever way possible Raila na digate se ji option ibere option arane for president gose support Ruto. There's no middle ground. Ese chibere njai force a situation Raila go support Ruto onyega ko ba sure dinga a support pace yae na ye transfer which is Ruto one on one, because I don't expect anybody from a team ya Raila ora tebe na comfortable na president ya kota ndipoti ya Wamunyoro na bata abori kirugura lakini atoke ngana era bono bwata bantu makoko igabona ko batangi muna chipapa etiketeiga. I don't think on narguru side yodi mura comfortable na Wamunyoro as the president one you guys in the Beyonce but don't toti koteba a day is wrong enough in politics because muna lituguna boko kimambi ngoli getoriga ndokende na undersign sinko nya gocha chirenga ngike go chikwape next
rogo na day bado tukwata na day miaka
yes. So nanche narakorwa my views about ukorena gwa baba gochanka actually gokora baba chiral gay bako tebanga so to Raila Odinga gekero kyo prime minister, you know Raila wonoiga whether he will be in ballot whether he will not be in ballot, he is a kingmaker. Nare katagati yuko chikwa mwanga ngoko be president. What am I telling you? Inyiranga bono iga maybe totebenga omulima inchira nora Teresile in one way or the other. And you can see ntobwate Wamnyoro, you're a former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua. Politics chae echiabeire chikoba just within the mountain. Yani ga focused only on the mountain. Esinginja kinama ithenga babwata numbers. So in all ways igata eteko sari numbers chiri nchigenda ucha somorai when so you're William Ruto. But rende nkoligere William Ruto is very smart in terms of politics. Like igata banga let me go with Mount Kenya East. Ndatigana van if he's thinking about that. So that's why again tobako koranga baba wono ganga muisukondi munyaro konde bwensi bono uikirenga kiayo gosoka kiro mumura ga korok interest. A singing jonga neking mekare by the way. So Ruto in one way is thinking to counter the numbers he might be losing in the mountain. Egera chinyo kuwase baba. Inyoranga chikura chiri baba konyora it's almost a half of what Ruto got. Na bengenga 50. You cannot underrate numbers chumuga kulia kodeteki abwate. So in one way or the other for Ruto to survive the only option indo chabwate ne yoko make sure nga obekire baba kopoko. That's why when they mentioning Kato momo prime minister gwetera se aba tioteri bali gusaba bwatani bali bahime mono ba William Ruto noko in one way is just stemming him egera bamorete bakwa neli ogirimo egera nga bagocha goika when we have some realignments bono mwako by the way we shall be seeing some political realignments egera nga bapimirete nga ngaitoko korreki ngaitoko soera egento keno bwento kumanyanga bono baba igara ta stake like nga numbers chiriabwate all the way from coast oretri ose na Hassan Joho nwara serikali from western lero wet ngakitokoroka Oparanya is in the government from the Luo Nyanza oretri we have both Opiyo Wandayi and John Mbadi. How can we transfer those votes egere chiche chiche mali. So I think in one way or the other bono iga Raila Odinga is in between na bakunya gopimwo sena bara amwenga bara achiwe soki geraba deny that opportunity.
Chikuranga le chikale lakini they are very close. You shape opinion with what you do now towards 2027.
Yes.
Number one, I'm curious ukerabono Matiang'i tarasoka individually yakwananga na the president. Could be also testing waters, how far Wamunyoro araje na endorsement. My agency yes. Jeremiah Kioni said sometimes back, tu asoete buango because tu alego chakokira and tu abeta surprised. Wamunyoro could have decided yasoke candidate and once. Bono tokara soki oyo itore very popular with Gen Z na bantu bande, you know, with some quarters sikabe excited inga kat. Let's go that direction. Wamunyoro was found absent-minded again to kama goje kadi kama yagoje. Perhaps there's a time where angere tichi TV ne chi radio chi section gete ko tangaze again to get akaikanenda karati. It could be a game yo we pima lakini obo nyankongo boko banga ningo bwata chinguru omulima it is also coming out. Again to kende Raila got Ruto won with 7.1 million. Raila came second with 6.9 million votes. Chikura chia Raila chionsi chi attribute ne timu alenge na yara moino. Half of that team was a majority of that team ya iranire moina. Chikura chia Wamunyoro and Ruto chia alenge 7.1 tote yabe part of it chia jiri was a half chia jiri moina. By mere calculation inga Raila ojire moina ne timu ya ajire moina. Moinalie Uhuru iranire na Wamunyoro iranire. Lakini kwa kolije Wamunyoro na Uhuru they are not reading from the same script. Omogano ogero monda uganda kaya it means yes it will be getting complicated buna tokonya kogenda go chimutu. And Ruto is very calculative now. Inundame polarize the ground tuwara candidate no anisano endorse each other every muna mutageti lakini kwa chimotu gaiga amanya kora the best way out which could be tricky and which could also be dangerous. Baba may decide hata bange nje kama nongo bolinde ninde mamini because chikura chia Ruto chia kere Wamunyoro asokire chikura Uhuru na yana bwate candidate ya egorogo Matiang'i chiabage kane so tumanya kanyora Kalonzo Matiang'i Raila and Ruto a ballot. Bonsi ipi bagande ballot. Raila manyako bagose number 1, Ruto number 2. Amanda manyako buat. Raila and Ruto nanja on support.
It's only a matter of playing with the numbers. That's it. Kirokore kwa senseme yomba bele AS region ibwate kirobago vote in a block chiko chini yoko bonseme ndons. But for the very first time the water candidate ibere ko Mount Kenya because this tried to happen some time back enga kiria go Kenneth Matiba na Mwai Kibaki bagachikupimanga naki. But for the another time bago chiko vote bono kero montabwate interest yani we understand mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta na bwate umaarufu ikiraboni so influential rikati gashagwa nero chire na ngochade so we expecting umuraiwense na koreta argo chino Eastern rule na with the coast na ndo the coast na bwate taru ya matukogete hata make sema magando but we expect a lot to come. Thank you so much. Tikabona mbaida ikeme mtu chake na haru toto yogo kora inkwana ya goyo mweli ase kabit koriare
chinga kitoko kwana igore ya siasa botambe egento gegocho mutuane mostirio konyoranga statement nero mugavana mukoro ibone igoro mastande we county ya Wasinigeshu omutike Jackson manda batatenga siasa usiweka kwa roho unakopeka sirangi choko ya na soka. That's why karongolengi sechi edition jindanga chege karo ndo mjiko kwanira mono igoro yoko soka kwa Matiang'i na ndo mjiko kwanira tuacha kaleronga liberereri ya kairake bono ntajiro nyagwage to munde ngundi ngokwanira Matiang'i bobe bona na bora achibwa apologize gekora na andi kiara akirira kego chagocha to kana no maiko kale kweren ibona siasa ndo tayari tuko go siasa elinde tuko nyirigereri tobegete uno gostoy ko nyuguro tobegete gloves na ibiro tobegete paino kiura mato ani amaiso to kumurika ngaki if not this then what because osiko mna bona gekaro go rira muntu mna bona Wamunyoro gatoko mukora amasikirika tikashagwa nigo ale nere ale sinchi ya panda ale mni muntu lera tirigore kiro igorerie go kole gwende talishwa roli ya ene liara chikuplay ese siasa na bara patishenga onye kigambirika konyora ngabete impeached against the law na bagwanjirwa boli no ane president gosali onye ngeke kumwanjira na kiara play role yae mune kingimeka egerach ko relevant after elections.
Bi mono nchege ntonda tave asesiasa moving forward. Rero na Rameru Rigiji Oserigadi Kashagwa nakwana with a lot of emotions ngakwana birengere rigete bya majikogenda kelia se siasa nkole takere attribute ko etabie lingo chere ya rokana telingi ya mono in one way or the other naboko nyora lika kagere tengo saleliale President Ruto chikuro nyora ngomoro salia that tone yelibone koma chikosalia abana siasa goikaba careful moving forward the way they conducted themselves. Actually yamachiku amount to incitement and hate speech at that level. Ikigeta igo chakoleta jirangia nende kwa machikoranga anga banono muntu taita kotebanga level bono ruta tataki yache mulima gozaro kanandonzi ibana tinya base ko be kunsa we binyarere kweli ngano muntu mobe, which is very wrong. Kero mondo gato democracy yoko nchokana na all over the country on policies chia ebu yachire no morembe niche usi expectations chia abantu baito nchia bachinyinga sana. Number 1 naende chikonya kwa bachikonya kwa pamuna chikonya kogenda chikonya kwa deemed. Number 1 we expected Matiang'i no ga ko boli president aboli ne chama ere more aligned ne region ya Gusii na members of parliament ba ko Gusii bara rogana ba ko mo support ire necessary mogaba no rato ke ko sen mu chama get na rabara ibaito ba ko lete ndo ko sen Taifa coalition. Unfortunately weeks later still Jubilee Secretary General ne committee ya ba kasoka another disappointment ba ga into Matiang'i e chama nere.
Keto cha sore samna nyore nkwana go briefly.
Nanchengo korra koteba iga. Actually if there's a time you guys should be like ama NP emoskeri Gachagua was all about to Murima mbono. Keko karo isa kuligera siasa cha abona nachi koteba by the it's just within the mountain. So finally again donata koteba tero chinga it looks like William Ruto is siding with the Mount Kenya East mono. But I think okagenda Meru na koreta I mean that statement urera kwa nanga wategete ko seri manyu muraibu nsata ko seri mata kome igonye ta ka ko seri ta chakaiga. I think it's just in one way or the other countering the Mount Kenya East over through Mheshimiwa Kithure Kindiki. So I think it's a counter, and if you can tell Clinton now bonoiga if there is amangana ali moskeri Gachagua kurusikuru asomonwe tindara muntu ko ya counter by the way monoigo esengencho bonoiga nalialeiga na benge toratebenga bono orumaiga otebenga mabwe studio maito mulero nkuokole maito people believe you because no kwarukwar bono yanyorkananga wa mnyoro guseriga Gachagua iga kurukuru ase serikali. People tend to believe whatever he's saying because no akurukuru kware encharabu ne ibono tigante bengambia mono kwani mosani gwangu yangwani Annabel na triggered by the way na Amos Kurwal chinsemo chia Nyambera na basani bande babo Senator Ochwangi oyora good friend banterera ngo ikamba kwa nande matenga no bare nege karobotambe igo mbiyatore.
Yes, ndongo manda kia mo.
You can minimize tense.
Yes, minimize it. Government or any other individual should ignore Wamnyoro for now because it don't make any sense. Correspond no montora on his way because igako baaka more respond and the way the government responds igeko bakora igeko bakoni.
Good advice to pick wasole balibonse bale kuba sense memo ancho murigera. Thank you so much because of time chinkwana chiko cyaba chinyinge entuno ko saba gwitonga tupanyara ko babo wesemya wikira boni gari agentraire so far. Thank you so much asore Kiobro bwige karo gwikira ndo asenchirengia. It's over for season 2. Of course season 3 coming up episode 1 ejumapili go chatunyara ko batogo chakira gaiga asetu aliguno kwa gere ntoga ndata ko get better state of the art studios igaiga na boigo turamanya na ari atokwargerente ase omurberio okobwati ko gendra ko bana into havila kariri po director itokoro ase studio ya kabero neke tichibi chechi kango ja chire buya bakobwata namo na Wilfred Matundra. Of course thank you so much Sama Miyanda kurwa Getembe FM Dennis Orioki murari kurwa sorgongorega rogusi na boigo Harun Nyengiri Ototo omurari wa mangana igage siasa kurwa segeta sene kiga kia Getembe TV nchengoro kwa Clinton ondigi toskare sengencho ege konkore na tore na omo konyone kurwa sensemeria yomuntu we manyerio Wilson Makori toko manye na radia atekira SMS kyonga chinsa inya.
Q. Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Ase ogo design, print, naboigo brand, gwakero chibiche, naboigo videography, KC Printing Hub, KPH, nintwe abanyankongo asorongo iriga, incho KC Printing Hub, asokoro sarigwa chibana chonsi, chibene chirorabo sebana chinde chonsi, chisignages, chibene cha 3D, nintu number AMO. Ogo apply chi passport, naboigo chi visa, ogo print, na korosi chi diary, chi t-shirt, chi hoodie, chi kobia, amaburi, chi reflector, ebikombe, chi wristband, amo nechichua chi amache, as graphic designing, as chi poster, chi flyer, funeral programs. Kerotadari kweba chi magazine, ajirago cha eger toko konya, nkai togo toka, ase mitandao tonyore, buna KC Printing Hub, ase ogo cha aschebeshito, Tori Sansara Complex Center Fast Floor kusotwa Kresimi ase namba 0727 026 368 kuse 0115 541502. KC Printing Hub KPH, we are the best. Why choose the rest?
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo ere enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokia riso yao chingaki ogoswasaje kurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate time tempo abo bago kolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bago tebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuare ye chikala au na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges au bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati aliaye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle